Why does your scanner show the P0284 engine code? What does it mean? P0284 is a diagnostic trouble code for cylinder 8, contribution or balance. The P0284 engine code for indicate your vehicle's powertrain control module, PCM, has detected that cylinder number 8 is producing less power, meaning it is not pulling its fair share of the weight. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: faulty or contaminated oxygen sensor, clogged or faulty fuel injector, unmetered air vacuum leaks, low fuel pressure, weak fuel pump, exhaust leak upstream of the sensor. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Ford, Dodge, Toyota, and Chevrolet. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.